Maybe is there anything else you would like to tell us?
Campeonatos.
And why was he there?
He was under treatment.
For what?
بخاطر ما تابلت
چیزی که ما میکنیم اینجا بند نیست ما پان میزنیم از این پان نیست
انتهایشون رو بلاکا از من خودت چیزم ناسل و نزدیک باش.
For doctors, nurses, midwives,
Okay.
and we also have an eco support
Okay.
department.
Anything you need.
Right.
Officially.